Okay, folks, here comes Amtrak. Coast Starlight train number 14. Final destination of that train is Seattle. Here she comes now. ALC-42 306 Cement Charger leading off. This one. This one. Here she comes, folks. Here she comes. She's a beauty. All right, 306 leaves off the ALC-42 on the Coast Starlight. She's a beauty. Okay, it's an ALC-42 and a P-42. Okay, then the P-42 DC number 180. All right, folks, we'll pause here. We'll be right back after this commercial break. Okay, folks, this is Amtrak Coast Starlight 14, highballing out again, on its way to Seattle. 306 ALC-42 leading off. Alongside with the P-42 180. She is. Alright, people, have a safe trip to Seattle, okay? And they're gonna train off to Seattle. Man, look how loud she is. Listen how loud she is, okay? I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good evening, and it's a little bit pouring down raining. Okay? Bye-bye now.